Hello students, welcome to Studies Done Right Here.
Welcome students. Today we will learn an interesting lesson in English subject at the biscuit factory. At the biscuit factory, a biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory, but how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. The first step is get a recipe. After getting a recipe, get the ingredients of things that go in a biscuit. After getting the ingredients, decide the quantity of each ingredient to be used. The next step is to mix all the ingredients and make a dough. Mix well and then knead the dough. After kneading the dough, roll out the dough. Then, cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. After cutting the dough, bake the dough shapes. The next step is to cool the biscuits. Then, see if the biscuits are done or baked properly. After completing all of these steps, we come to the packaging of biscuits. So the next step is pack the biscuits into packets. After packaging of biscuits, they go into the shops and the people buy them from the shops. So this is the glimpse of a biscuit factory. But students, you can understand it better by visiting a biscuit factory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.